Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a extremely nice, extremely clean 2000 year model John Deere 5410 tractor, loader, pallet forks are with it, 4-wheel drive, has a 12x12 power reverser transmission in it, non-emissions tractor obviously, 1758 original hours. It is all original paint. It is just a very nice, clean tractor, and especially original tractor. The purpose of the video today, we're going to run it and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. We're going to walk you around it. We'll start right here up underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and open the hood. The hood is actually in very nice shape. This is going to be powered by a John Deere 4045 Natural for a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated non-turboed engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. We've just bought a complete and full set of John Deere filters and serviced this tractor. There's no blow-by. There is no oil leaks on it. Very dry. Hood is extremely nice shape. Matt, give them a close-up there of the hood. It is not all scratched or scraped up. There is a couple scratches, but it's not beat in. There's one small crack right here on the side panel. Loader, John Deere 541 quick attach loader. The park stands are here. Does have the John Deere 500 series quick attach bucket on it. Bucket, 74-inch, excellent cutting edge. They must have wrapped the chain around here doing something to lift something, and it did bow that down. The rest of the bucket's still in good condition. Up front, it's going to have 12.4 by 24 front tires. They are still in good shape, about 50%. Rear are 18.430s, about 50 to 60%. All tires are matched to the tractor. This tractor has cast centers and a set of cast center wheel weights. So the actual cast wheel is a center cast wheel, and it has the optional wheel weight in it. Rims are not all laid up, they are loaded. Back side, Cat 2 3-point hitch, drawbar, 540 PTO. I do not have the top link, anything I didn't get from the customer. It has 3 sets of remotes. However, 2 are being used for your loader, and there is a set right here that is available. You can unplug and use for different things when you have the loader off. That's how this loader was set up. Folding roll bar. All the lights work. 4 ways back work light. And you can see how nice it is. This belonged to a hunting club, sold new at our local John Deere dealer. And they pulled a 10-foot brush hog behind it the majority of its life. That's what it done. And that's why it was kept in, and that's why the tractor is that nice. Again, cast center, cast wheel weight, rubber all matches. Just an extremely clean tractor. You see how nice and straight it is on both sides. We'll take up here the operator station. So, it is a power reverser transmission, so it has park in the transmission, neutral, forward, reverse. You have 3 ranges and then 4 gears of each range. PTO engagement, 4-wheel drive engagement. Does have a suspension seat. The seat had been replaced with new cushions. Right here at the dash, you will see 1758 original hours. You can look out across the hood there and you can see how nice the hood is. The only thing not original, they did shorten this exhaust pipe to go in their building, and their ops stayed folded down. Other than that, and there again, that's just me being honest and telling you the truth. 3-point hitch arms up and down are here. This is going to be your remote control valve for that one single remote that's left. And joystick loader control. This is a synchronized shift on the 1 through 4. Gearbox range, you should be stopped from what I've always read. So I'm going to start this tractor up. Being a hydraulic shuttle, they don't have a lot of feel to the clutch pedal. It's how several guys have been here and run it and seen it. Local guys, that's exactly how they feel. Neighbor has one the same way. But we'll shuttle it back and forth through the transmission. I'll run it all around here for you. Here we go. working today. I'm sure we'll have a lot of calls, a lot of guys will ask a lot of questions, and that's all fine and dandy. We feel we've got priced this tractor very fair in the market for what it is. It is very clean, it is very original. So I want everybody to understand that. We didn't wash and wax this tractor. Especially something today pre-admissions is just hard to find. It's just not out there. That tractor there will run a guy for a long time. And it is non-emissions, 40-45, naturally aspirated. Just a very good clean tractor. So if you want to come see it yourself in person, I have nothing to hide. That's why we do take the time to do these videos. It's a very comfortable tractor to run. It's very responsive. You have a tractor, utility tractor size you're looking for, small farm, beef guy, here's a perfect tractor that'll last a long time. So any questions, 814-658-3066. And I was just telling Matthew about this. We took very good pictures of the deck plate, the clutch and brake pedals. That tells the story of that tractor and how much wear is on it, and it's not. The hours are right, and it is a very clean piece. Excuse me, 814-658-3066. Any questions, please give us a call. We're glad to help you. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.